Oh, dear. Isabel sort of eating something. Just want to draw your attention to the floor. Yeah. I see Isabel. Doesn't care for her bibs. Would you like to try this? That is butternut squash, parsnip, quinoa, and yeah. Isabel, do it. Isabel, do it. It's broccoli. She is eating the broccoli. Well, when I say that. Cuckoo! Hello. This is her new little... Oh, something's got her. That has a very, very unfortunate ending to it, I'm sure. Can you eat it? Can you put it in your mouth? Yum, 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 yum. Keep going. Uh-oh. I did not catch that. She just wiped her eye with the spoon. Let's get a close-up of the state of you. Hello. Oh. Okay, our mommy's going to take that away. We're going to hurt ourselves. I got it. Right. Say bye-bye. Oh. Bye-bye. Look at the floor. Did I already show the floor? My daily mess. Oh! Excuse you. Oh dear. Oh. Uh-oh. Bye-bye, folks.